Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create movies with free AI content creation tools only. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So let's start with creating our script. We can go here at copy.ai. Whatever you want to ask, our chat has the answers. You can get your free account today, sign up with Google or sign up with email. At Copy.ai, you can write blogs 10 times faster, write higher converting posts, and write more engaging emails. You can experience the full power of an AI content generator that delivers premium results in seconds. It is also the highest standard of compliance and security. Copy.ai helps get better results in a fraction of the time. Finally, a writing tool you'll actually use. Blog content, you can write optimized blog posts in a fraction of the time. Sales copy, you can convert your audience with copy that sells. Digital ad copy, you can produce compelling ad copy in just a few clicks. Social media content, engage your audience with compelling social copy. E-commerce copy, increase sales with better product descriptions. And website copy, overhaul your website with one compelling copy. You can write better content faster, leverage AI to write your content and copy in minutes. Say goodbye to the blank page, generate high converting copy for all your campaigns with just a few clicks. And there are also 90 plus tools and templates. Streamline content production by leveraging 90 plus tools and templates. So how it works? First, you can enter your copywriting project. Second, give copy.ai a bit of context. Third, sift through the results. And lastly, edit, polish, and publish. Now let's try to create our script using copy.ai. And after that, let's make our script into speech. We can go here at deepstory.com. It is the best AI script writer and story generator. DeepStory is built around the cross-pollination between human creativity and artificial intelligence to create extraordinary AI-driven scripts and stories. DeepStory removes the limitation of human imagination by allowing users to co-create with AI engaging movie scripts, RPG scripts, short-form content, and stories all shapes and form. DeepStory AI creates human-like writing based on your input, enabling anyone to write quality stories and screenplays. Whether you're a storyteller, screenwriter, gamer, or content creator, with DeepStory you'll never be limited your imagination. You can also write your script using DeepStory.ai. The next free AI tools that you can use to write your script is Rytr.ai. It is a better, 10 times faster way to write your script, and Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. You can see some reviews here, and by using Rytr.ai, you can save time and money writing content that converts. You can also generate killer content effortlessly. Never face writer's block again. From blogs to emails to ad copies, auto-generate catchy, original, and high-converting copies in popular tones and language in just a few seconds. Just pick a use case, enter some context, and boom, your copy is ready. You can also craft your masterpiece to perfection. Seamlessly manage your writing workflow, Relieve the stress of juggling multiple projects by providing seamless collaboration, team building, and robust project management features, all without the hefty price tag. With RYTR, it's easy to get back to what matters: running your business and making sure everything runs smoothly. With RYTR.ai, you can take your writing assistant where you go. With our browser extension, it's never been easier to create a stunning copy, whether you're working on an email, social post, or blog. RYTR will save you time and ensure your content is always up to snuff. Now let's try to use RYTR to write our script. You can select the language, select tone, and you can also choose your use case. For example, let's ask RYTR.ai to write about a fictional story about a cat who fell in love with a flower. Click on Write for Me, and there we have our script. There's an introduction, the characters, the middle, the ending, and the conclusion. Now, let's turn this script into speech. Let's use wellsaidlabs.ai. You can create voiceovers from text in real time. Wellsaid Labs is the top AI voice platform, and thousands of companies use it to create engaging content and experiences, saving time and money without compromising quality. Collaboration made easy. Everyone in your team can create voiceover, make edits, and update content using the same voices. You can also use Flicky.ai to turn text into videos with AI voices. People spend 88% more time on websites with videos. Transform blog articles into videos. Start by adding the blog article URL, and Flicky powered by AI will summarize your content. After that, we can now download free stock footage on Pexels.com. It is the best free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. You can see some free images here that you can download for free. Now let's try to search a certain photo that we can use in our video. Like for example, a cat and a flower. And there are some images that you can download for free. There's a cat and a flower. And with that free AI tools, you can create a movie that you can content on your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question on the video, please leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.